Hello, this is Jose Guerrero for Learn Spanish in 1 hour. In this class, we're going to teach you about how we use the vowels before the consonants. In Spanish, we use 5 consonants more for the sounds, and we mix it the A with L. So we want to say A, L, E, L, I, L, O, L, U, L. If you see in Spanish consonants is the same the consonants for English. It's the same sound. L, S, M, R. We do A, S, A, 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 R. If we repeat O is al, el, il, ol, ul. As, es, is, os, us. Am, em, im, an, en, in, on, un, are, er, ir, or, ur. How you see is how this work. Is why you need to learn very well the vowels. You learn the vowels very well, you don't make confused and between E in Spanish and E in English, all got to be good. So A, E, I, O, U. And you can play like al, el, il, ol, ul. As, es, is, os, us. Am, em, im, an, en, in, on, un. Are, er, ir, or, ur. This is going to be all for this class. See you next class. Thank you.